style is good. Anyway, we're going to be taking a walking tour. We're a bit late, so we'll just jump ahead. Yeah! Kilometer Cero, located in Puerta del Sol, is the symbolic and historical starting point for all road distances measured in Spain. It's a significant landmark representing the country's geographical center and the origin of radial routes. The marker, a small stone plaque, is also a point of reference for the numbering of streets in Madrid. The most iconic and typical bocadillo in Madrid is the Bocadillo de Calamares, also known as a squid sandwich. Restaurante Botín in Madrid holds the Guinness World Record for being the oldest restaurant in the world, also known for its traditional Spanish cuisine, particularly its roast suckling pig.
That somehow stays open for more than 100 years will receive one of these. Oh wow! Did you notice about any of these? You saw them? Do you guys know what does the word coda mean? Elbow. Why is it called the elbow street? Yes. It's the shape of an elbow. And it's got pictures. Get pictures so people could identify where they were. But the line is not that long, so you can just queue and the queue moves very fast. Yes?
That's so nice. Thank you.
Early tiled street names in Madrid have drawings on them that reflect interpretations of the street names. These signs are a distinctive feature of Madrid and showcase Talavera ceramic traditions.
No, a las 3. Y arriba, ¿vale?
So, Indy, what is that?
Dumplings.
Sure.
Yes.
Black Angus beef carpaccio.
This is beef sashimi. Okay.
This is the
Aubergine with honey and homemade hummus.
Hummus. It's the one that we wanted to try in Cordoba.
How would you describe it?
I like a churro.
With the honey.
Or 4 dishes or 5 dishes. It's been like, what, 5 minutes? Oh my god. Guys, this is the paella.
Classic Valencian style, which is
Chicken and rabbit paella. Socarat, the crispy, slightly burnt rice at the bottom of a paella pan, is a crucial element of paella and is considered a delicacy by many. It's not a mistake, but a purposeful cooking technique that provides a distinct, smoky, and slightly bitter flavor and complements the other ingredients in the paella.
Cafe Bourbon. So that's condensed milk and coffee, and then
A satisfying combination.
Bagley. This is the best cheesecake.
Christmas for them, for the people in Spain. For Santa Claus is only for the people in America. So we're going to celebrate and let's find out. Hope you're here with us.
A few moments later. One eternity later.
Three Kings Day, otherwise known as Reyes, is a vibrant and joyous fiesta celebrated by families across the entire Iberian Peninsula and Spanish islands. In Madrid, the evening of the 5th will include some very special celebrations, with a huge parade bringing the three kings from the east, Melchor, Gaspar, and Balthazar, to the city center with a message of peace and solidarity for all. The parade starts from Paseo de la Castellana and ends at Plaza de Cibeles. The day after, the 6th, is a day for spending with loved ones and sharing gifts. Children traditionally receive their Christmas gifts on this day rather than Christmas Day. For the travelers seeking authentic experience while traveling to Spain during this time of the year, the celebration of the Three Kings is not to be missed.
Y aunque ellos no lo sabían, daba comienzo a la historia de uno de los mejores circos del mundo. Torre Bruno, payaso número 1.
That's the candy. As you can see, it's
We're
very
going to have dinner. Mangosteen and
Gamba salahiv. It's gamba salahiv is
Hey guys, we're back home.
Oh, what's that?
The world. And they took my letter. Thank you very much. Yes, this is from the Three Kings. Okay, thank the Three Kings 3 times for each one. Here's the flamingo. Sorry if it's too loud for you. Round of applause. But you're supposed to do it during the show. Then we got, it's a bull. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Turned into a flamingo dancer. Here's a magic trick. Flamingo dancer, bull. Roscon de Reyes, also known as the King's Cake, is a traditional cake which is consumed by the Spanish on and around Three Kings Day, shaped like a large crown or donut. It depends on how you look at it. This tasty cake is covered with crystallized fruit and sugar and often contains a small figurine or bean inside. Thank you for watching. Our next adventure awaits.